In this video, we are going to see how we can resolve this wireless capabilities turn off problem. So we are going to see a couple of solutions that might work for you, and without further ado, let's get started with this video. So guys, first of all, what you can do is just write in the search or in the start menu, ncpa.cpl. It will show you a control panel item. Click on that. And then you make sure that your Wi-Fi is enabled. So if it is disabled like that, you just enable it and make sure it is shown as connected down here. After that, you try to update and it will definitely work. So sometimes the only problem is your internet or wireless network or Wi-Fi is not properly connected. Now method 2 is, what you can also do is ncpa.cpl. I'll just write that again. Hit enter. And you just right click on the Wi-Fi settings, click on the properties and click on configure. And here, if you have the option of power management, just go in that option. Let me just try some other resource. Maybe we have that option. So we don't have this option here, but let's suppose that you have the power management option. Just go in that power management tab and just make sure to uncheck the first option, that is allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Just make sure to uncheck that because it might be saving power and unchecking or disabling the Wi-Fi, and that's why you are getting this error. And the method 3 finally is just turn off the Wi-Fi from the laptop, whatever it is. In some laptops it is just a wireless button, Wi-Fi button on your keyboard, which can be used with function key or just simply press the button. Or you can turn on and turn off the airplane mode, or you have a physical button to turn on or turn off the Wi-Fi. Just make sure to turn this off and turn that on again. So one of these methods might definitely work for you and you will no longer get this error. Just mention down in comments what works for you so that it can help all the community out here. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.